Okay, I got my new Apple Watch. It's the Series 6. So I'm going to show you a couple of features here that I thought was pretty neat. Because I'm going to have to be using this for my workout. But check this out. If you want to change the face right here, you just click, press, and hold it. Then you can just slide over and hit this plus sign. You got different features. You can just slide up. I think it's pretty cool. Let's just keep sliding. You got different faces for your watch, and it looks like it have about 20 or 30 something of them. But this one right here, I thought was pretty cool. This Mickey Mouse. Check it out. I'm gonna click on it and select it. That's pretty cool right there. So if you let's just say for instance, I'm gonna click this button and I'm gonna open up one of these apps. I don't know what it is. So I want to close it. Just put your hand over it. There you go. It closes. So anything you got open, you can go to your messages. Say for instance, you got a messages, they're open. You just put your hand over it, cover it up for a second, and it takes you back to your home page. So that's how you change your face. Another thing what you want to do is change your display to where it would turn off. See, it stays on all the time. If I move my hand and everything, you see my display is staying on. But check this out. What you want to do is click right here and you go to settings. This button right there is my settings. So hit settings and you go up or go down and go to display and brightness. You click on it and you see where it says always on. You click on it and you can turn that off. So now the display always on is off now. So check this out. You see it's off right now, the display. If I turn my wrist like I'm looking at it, it'll turn on. And while I'm looking at it, and after 5 seconds, it turn off. When I move my wrist, it turn on. After 5 seconds, it's gonna turn off. It's pretty cool. If you want to turn it back on, you just got to move your wrist. It'll turn on. 5 seconds, it'll go off. So you can always, like you turn it on, you can put your hand over it, it'll turn it off. So anything you got open, you can just put your hand, cover it up for a second, it'll go off. So that's the display is off. So if I want to look at my watch and see what time it is, it'll turn on. You see that? Alright, if this video helped, subscribe to my channel, and thank you and have a great day.